Hi, I'm Danny Rosen, co-president of Brand Fuel.
Hey, I'm Robert Fiveash, co-president of Brand Fuel. Come on in and watch us inspire you with our showroom. We've got red vinyl couches.
We've got a bar
with freshly squeezed fat-free water.
8 tracks. Where were we?
Jukebox!
We even have the world's only swag lottery machine. Put your information on the card, stick it through the slot, give the lever a pull, and get a prize. Ooh, Tunnel of Love, Bruce Springsteen, and a free digital download card. And a beverage. Don't mind if I do.
We got phone booths too.
At Brand Fuel, we are all about really cool unboxing experiences. Check this out. Inside, we've got a video card, a decal, special messaging, voila. Inside, an additional touch point with a mug, a cool dollar bill, tip tip hooray, and you're gonna make people feel really good when they receive this.
The Message in a Bottle campaign, gorgeous recycled glass. A percentage goes back to charity water, gives clean water access to the world.
Imagine you are sent to a website and you're asked to upload a photograph of anything that you have, maybe your favorite band. You upload the photograph to our Art Jukebox software and delivering a gift that's one of a kind. On the back, the logo, the signed graphic artists, and you've got something that is unique.
Dye sublimation is one of the most popular decoration techniques today. Full color, front and back, no seams, messaging, any colors you like.
We even do sequin t-shirts. Bam, cool, right?
Thanks for taking our amazing showroom tour, coming by, getting to meet our amazing staff, and you get something great on the way out.